Hello po. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Tom Jan Paul, BSIT 3G. Ma'am, gumawa na lang po ako ng PowerPoint para ma-maximize ko po yung pag-explain per paragraph. Which is, ang napili ko is Uber breach and cover. The number one is from breach to cover up, the Uber security breakdown. Emphasis the sequence of events. First the breach, then the attempt cover-up. Highlights systematic or organizational issues within your security practices. Ma'am, this is parang nagpapahiwatig ng malalaking organisasyon and sa issue ng ating seguridad. The number 2 is Uber breach and cover controversy. Lessons for teach companies. Position the incident as a case study that other companies can learn from, focusing on cybersecurity, ethics, and crisis management. Dito naman ma'am sa number 2, yung parang alimbawa yung pagkukuhanan ng aral ng ibang mga kumpanya na nakatuon sa cyber security and sa crisis management. Number 3 is when hacker hit and secrets follow, the Uber breach cover-up story. A more dramatic title that capture both the cyber attack and subsequent concealment efforts, ideal for an article or video at general audience. So number 3 is yung parang pagnanakaw ng data and tinatakpan po yung kasinungalingan ng cyber attack. For the last one po is unboxing the Uber breach, the truth behind the hidden hack, the real story behind Uber data breach, how it happened, what information was stolen, and why the company chose to keep the incident secrets. It highlights covering the truth and exposing was not shown to the public. Ma'am, dito is para siyang data breach, 'di ba? Kung saan nakukuha ng mga hacker yung mga impormasyon natin, like sa mga details po natin, kumbaga sa mga messenger, nakukuha po nila yung mga email or data or information na meron po tayo. For the unboxing the Uber breach, the truth behind and hidden hack. Yun lang po ma'am, and good morning. Thank you po.